How to use system restore in Windows 11. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So to system restore on Windows 11, you just have to click on the Windows search bar and search for control panel here, and you just have to simply click on the control panel, and it will by default show you like this one. So you just have to simply click on it and click on large icons from here, and you just have to find the option called recovery. As you can see, this is the one. So after clicking on recovery option, you just have to simply click on the second option called open recovery system restore, like undo recent system changes but leaves files such as documents, picture and music unchanged. So you just have to click on the open system restore from here, and system protection is turned off, so turn it back on so that you can use system restore. So you just can turn on the system protection, like click on configure and turn on system protection from here and click on OK and then OK. And after that, open system restore from here, and as you can see, no restore point has been created on your computer system drive. To create a restore point, open system protection. So you can also create a restore point. Type a description to help you identify the restore point. Hi, and click on create, and it's now creating a restore point. And after it successfully created a restore point, you can just click on restore when you see a specific time, and let's again click on open system restore. And why I was saying that if you click on next from here, you can see this is the system restore point, and whenever or which time you have been seeing any problem or damage, then you can just click on the system restore point from here. That when was your laptop working just fine, you just have to simply click on here and click on next and then finish your system restore. That's how you can get back to your computer when it was working just fine. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.